Just nigga like me, man. I've been around the world. I had a lot of girls, you know what I'm saying? That shit ain't new to me. But hey, when it come to it, you better be ready to do it. Yeah, no cap. Got no more cheeks to turn, so I got some new ones. Baby girl, you lost the true one. Yeah, I ain't a fool, yeah. So what you tryna do, Girl, our separate ways, stay up in your face. What you tryna say? Tell me that you done, I ain't scared to run. Got some hoes on G.O. On the D-low, but you know, all up in my phone. I don't never write back, but you on the other hand, yeah, you like that. You give them time of the day. I can't wife that. I can't wife that. Nah, little bitch, you's a trifler. Shoulda one night that. On my face, yeah. Hit her from the back, get on my place, yeah. No, but you tried it. Ooh, when I went for it, I lied it. Ooh, yeah, you was a lying bitch. Yeah, okay, what's my time, bitch? Next day, saw you with somebody. Damn. Okay, let me catch a body. Damn. Okay, let me fuck somebody. Okay, yeah, I did it, now I'm rocking. Okay, but now my feelings still here. Damn, it's a chill here. Yeah, I'ma kill him. Had no more cheeks to turn, so I got some new ones. Yeah, you lost a true one. I ain't no fool, What you tryna do, Yeah, all design to get your grind. Y'all say facts, man. Smoke packs and get racks, nigga. Big cap, homie, cowboy hat. Everybody know me, everything I say facts. Yeah, everything I say facts. Use a big cap, cowboy hat. Get up on my face before you get smacked. I don't got the patience for none of that. I don't got tolerance for nonsense. I'll smack a bitch if it's for some sense. And these bitches got no sense. In this presence they can't come in. I feel like holy, I'm not God, but I swear I'm doing shit off my motherfucking heart. Yeah, I love like Jesus, These bitches please us, I made the way, I'm parting season. My name is Moses, These bitches love me red, yeah, they pussy roses, I beat it up, Tough luck, your ex, he stuck up. Yeah, he stuck on your butt, I'm in your butt. Damn, so fucked up, yeah, he fucked up. I get guap like it's a game. These niggas lame. I stayed in my lane. I got the aim. I forgot that shot. I'm a motherfucking scope. Take your hoe. Take your note. It ain't about money. It's about motherfucking being good in the hood wherever you would. Gas, I blow it, the gun I'm toting. Got that 4-5, gripping it like a 6-speed. These niggas can't touch me. Yeah, I'm cruising down to 85, blowing on my trees. In the A, don't play. Yeah, gun broad day, right in your face like a doctor trying to see what's in your eyes. I see the prize, yeah, in your thighs, in your skies. Demise. Big cap, homie, cowboy hat. Everybody know me, everything I say facts. Yeah, everything I say facts. The big cap, cowboy hat. Get up on my face before you get smacked. I don't got the patience for none of that. I don't got tolerance for nonsense. I'll smack a bitch if it's for some shit. Man, I have yet to see a motherfucker do this shit like I do this shit. You know what I'm saying? Yet to see a nigga step to me.
That's stupid. Oh, God,
nigga hit me in my mouth. I didn't even know what I done did. You know what I'm saying? Really can just go back to my, the past 3 mixtapes and listen to what the fuck I've been doing.
Hey, don't try to do that.
You know the vibes, niggas scared to come outside. You know the vibes. You know the vibe, niggas scared to come outside when this nigga slide. Know what time it is, yeah, pull up, handle business, that's all I do. Yeah, I love that money, baby girl, and it's true. I can't catch no feelings for no humans, only paper with the faces. Sorry, bitch, gotta put you in your places, cause you talking just like T.I. in that movie, snatch the necklace. Bitch, you ain't shit but a dollar in the face. Let me back up before I get you sad and shit. Then I pull off, cause I'm mad as shit. But I'm stunting, flexing. Pull up and these bitches always texting. So I might just, you know what I'm saying, do what I do next. Yeah, broad day. Hit a nigga, okay. Yeah, with what? Yeah, let that thing on me tuck. Yeah, wedding cake. Yeah, in my comb, smoke it to the face. Yeah, every day, getting paid, getting capers. See you later. If you ain't talking about no money, then I'm out, ho. Yeah, if that nigga talking shit, know what I'm about, though. All that, yeah, police called that. Yeah, we gon' spark like a nigga want it all bad. Going outside. They're like, damn, why you do that? Who was my other option? They know I'm coming poppin'. Yeah, that was my other option. They know I'm coming poppin'. You know the vibes, niggas scared to come outside. You know the vibes. You know the vibe, niggas scared to come outside when it's time. You know the vibe, niggas scared to come outside. You know the vibe, niggas scared to come outside. You know the vibe, niggas scared to come outside when it's time to slide. They ain't down no ride. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. Niggas scared to slide. Come outside.
Hey.
Covers on. And I had cleaned the lifters and everything. So I was gonna change the oil. Round with a cougar. Ooh, picked her like a booger. She called me millennial. Baby girl, I ain't feeling you. Yeah, she got an ass. Told that bitch to park it like Centennial. Baby girl, I'm feeling you. Yeah, baby got an ass. Told her park it like Centennial. Tryna get into you. Tryna get into you. Pencil to a sharpener. Baby, yeah, I'm sharper than him. Pull up in that motherfucker, watch me swim. Now I ain't got no fans, but I jump in like I do. Baby girl say everything is true. Yeah, I don't lie, baby, yeah, that's a fact. Pull up with you at, shove your ass out the pack. If you want these dick, baby girl, throw it back. Yeah, baby girl, what size your waist? And I know the taste about 34 deep. Yeah, and we pull up about 3 deep. Never that deep, cause we got big things. Toting, loking. On this gas, I'm smoking. Bitches choosing, oozing out that coochie, cause we dripping. So, all they hate, nigga, get 'em off me. If you don't, I will, and you know how that's gonna go. Have 'em laying on the floor like they watch a movie.